Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have been busy with my exams so couldn't upload any video. Sorry for that delay, but I will be consistent now. So let's begin the video. So the topic that I have chosen for today is Human Physiology chapter, Chemical Control and Coordination. So these notes will be very quick and easy to understand, and they will be very helpful for your NEET preparation. So let's start the chapter. First, we begin with the basic definition of hormones. Hormones are non-nutrient chemicals which act as intercellular messengers and produced in trace amount. This is the basic definition which needs to be understood. Next, we have the main gland, which is the hypothalamus. This hypothalamus located in basal part of diencephalon or forebrain, we call it as. So the hypothalamus produce two types of hormones. First is the releasing hormones and next is inhibiting hormones. The releasing hormones will stimulate the pituitary hormones and the inhibiting hormones will inhibit the secretion of the pituitary hormones. I hope these two categories are clear. Next is the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is located in a bony cavity which is called as sella turcica. The two types of hormones which are produced by pituitary gland is adenohypophysis and neurohypophysis. This adenohypophysis is further categorized into pars distalis and pars intermedia. Now the pars distalis is called the anterior pituitary. I have made a tabular form which is very easy to understand. This neurohypophysis is called the posterior pituitary. The various hormones secreted by pars distalis are GH, which is growth hormone, PRL, which stands for prolactin, TSH as thyroid stimulating hormone. Next hormone is ACTH, which stands for adrenocorticotropic hormone. Next is FSH, follicular stimulating hormone. And last is LH, which is luteinizing hormone. So all these are the hormones of pars distalis or anterior pituitary. Next is pars intermedia, secretes only one hormone, which is MSH or melanocyte stimulating hormone. There are two hormones for neurohypophysis, oxytocin and vasopressin. Hope all the categories of hormones are clear to you. Now let's quickly memorize and learn all the functions of these hormones. So first hormone is growth hormone. Oversecretion of growth hormone will lead to gigantism, and low secretion of growth hormone will lead to stunted growth, also called as dwarfism. In adults, this disorder is called as acromegaly. Next is PRL, prolactin. PRL is responsible for growth of mammary glands and also milk formation in the mammary glands. Third is your TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. Its function is synthesis and secretion of the thyroid hormones from the thyroid gland. Fourth is your ACTH or adrenocorticotropic hormone. Its function is synthesis and secretion of the steroid hormones called as glucocorticoids. Fifth is your LH, luteinizing hormone, which in males it is responsible for synthesis and secretion of androgens from the testes. In females, LH is responsible to induce ovulation of a fully mature Graafian follicle. It is also responsible to maintain corpus luteum. Next is FSH. FSH stands for follicular stimulating hormone. Now in males, FSH is responsible to regulate spermatogenesis, and in females, FSH is responsible for the growth and development of the ovarian follicles. Next is MSH, melanocyte stimulating hormone. So it will secrete melanocytes, which are melanin containing cells responsible for pigmentation of the skin color that we get. Next is oxytocin. Oxytocin will act on smooth muscles and stimulate the contraction of these smooth muscles. And in females, oxytocin is responsible for vigorous contraction at the time of childbirth. Another important function of oxytocin is milk ejection from the mammary glands. Next hormone is vasopressin. Main function of vasopressin is in kidney, where it will stimulate the reabsorption of water and the electrolytes by the distal convoluted tubules and reduce the loss of water, which we also called it as diuresis. So the functions of all hormones of pituitary gland are complete here. I hope you all understood it well. Thanks for watching.